Canceling Spectrum Business Internet involves understanding contracts, potential fees, and equipment returns. As of September 2025, Spectrum has streamlined its cancellation process with an online portal, reducing wait times. However, early termination fees may apply if you're ending your contract before the term. These fees can range from $100 to $500 per month remaining, but may be waived for service issues like prolonged outages. Always review your contract for auto-renewal clauses and cancellation notice requirements, typically 30 days. You'll also need to return Spectrum's equipment, such as modems and routers, to avoid non-return fees of $150 to $300 per item. Be aware that damaged equipment can incur additional charges. To cancel Spectrum Business Internet, start by gathering your account number, contract details, and billing history to have everything ready for the process. Next, contact Spectrum Business Support at 1-800-892-4357 or use their online portal to initiate the cancellation request. When you contact them, request the cancellation and ask to confirm any early termination fees that may apply. Pay any outstanding balances or ETFs using credit card, check, or bank transfer as required. Schedule the return of your equipment and obtain a prepaid shipping label within 24 hours from Spectrum. Pack and ship the equipment within 14 days to avoid any late fees that could be charged. Finally, confirm your cancellation and receive your final bill via email to ensure everything is properly completed. Common pitfalls to avoid include ignoring contract terms, not returning equipment on time, and failing to negotiate early termination fees. Consider alternatives like downgrading your plan or transferring to a residential plan to potentially avoid full cancellation fees.